I'm gonna mill this, and I think it is American Beech wood, but I'm not sure. It's super duper duper hard, and I'm gonna square it off on my table saw, and I've got a ripping blade in there now, and I've never done this with this type of wood before, if that's what it is. I know it's some kind of super hard stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a rip fence, a temporary ripping fence on there. Just find a place where I can screw it in, probably like this, and then I'm gonna start taking it onto the table saw, and see if I can get some handles for some more mallets and some mallet heads out of it. Hopefully we can do that. This is almost perfectly squared off, and I can make handles and mallet heads out of this now. And it's dry. It's been out in the woods for probably over a year, and it feels dry. I don't know what it is. Like I said, I think it's American Beech wood. Super hard, super heavy, and saw had a hard time cutting through that. I tried to cut it with a chainsaw and I dulled my blade on it, so we can use that to make mallets with, and that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Use this material to make mallets.